Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Yamaha XSR900 with ABS. This really cool retro sport 3-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 8,900 miles. New tires, fantastic condition. I love this silver metallic paint scheme. It almost looks like a steel tank with a red stripe. Really cool custom seat from Yamaha. Come on by and make this your bike dreams come true. Just $75.99. That's about $2,500 off the price of new. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. At any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Triple cylinder 950. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.